Welcome to A-Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new Facebook account on phone. So, let's get started. To create a new Facebook ID, the first thing you need to do is, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you open the app, you'll find, Create New Account, so, tap on it. Next, tap on Get Started. Now enter the name you want to use for your Facebook account, then tap Next. You'll now see the birthday page. Set your date of birth and tap Set, then tap Next. Next, choose your gender and again tap Next. Now you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email ID. You can use either, depending on your preference. I'm entering my email ID, but you can also use your phone number. After entering it, tap Next. Now, you'll see, Create a password for your Facebook account. Your password should be at least 6 characters long and easy for you to remember. After entering the password, tap Next. Then tap Save. Next, you'll see a page asking you to agree to Facebook's terms and policies. Tap I agree. Now, a code will be sent to the email or phone number you entered. As you can see, I've received the code on my email. Enter the code and tap Next. Now it's time to add profile picture. Tap Add Picture, allow the required permissions, and set a profile picture for your new Facebook ID. After adding the profile picture, tap Done. Next, tap Not Now, and Skip. Finally, tap Next, and that's it. Your new Facebook ID has been created. If you liked the video, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.